Hey guys, it's me again, and for today's video will be different. Now we will be discussing about Canva, a platform designed for graphic designing and graphic designing tool. So the first tutorial is how do we add a bleed to your canvas so that the elements or the images won't go far beyond the borderline or the guideline. So first we go to create. After you put a create, just choose any design you want. So let's say create a design and use presentation or custom size. Then we go to this page. Now how do we add a bleed to this page? So first of all, we will press file. After pressing file, we go to settings. Settings, then show print bleed. As you can see that we have a print bleed here already. It's like a borderline. So if we put some elements here such as images, we can put it in the inside the bleed. Make sure that it doesn't go beyond the bleed. So yeah, you can see here the distance from the border and the image itself. So that's how simple it is to add the bleed in Canva. So thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day.